The newly elected federal Labor government has signalled their intent to roll back some of the changes that were introduced by the previous government relating to casual employment. Today, we're going to unpack these proposed changes and consider the potential implications for business. Over the past few years, there were two very high-profile cases which created some serious concern in the business community, being Scheme versus Workpack and Rosado versus Workpack. The specific concern in the business community was that long-term casual employees in both of these cases were subsequently awarded back pay of entitlements, including annual and sick leave, as if they were full-time employees. We have shared several posts on our website at ondemandhr.com.au breaking down the details of these cases. However, the real essence in these cases was that they were fairly extreme examples of full-time employment being dressed up as casual employment. However, Workpack did also claim that it paid casual rates and casual loading in order to compensate for the permanent leave entitlements. And following these decisions, the Liberal government made changes to the Fair Work Act regarding the definition of casual employment in order to provide certainty to businesses who regularly engage casual employees that they would not be caught up in back-paying entitlements as occurred in these cases. Previously, the definition of casual employment was handled by common law, taking into account an analysis of the overall circumstances of the employment. In other words, if a casual employee looks like a full-time or part-time employee, then they are, in fact, a full-time or part-time employee. It is this definition that the federal Labor government is seeking to return to what appears to be an attempt to deliver on one of its core election promises to deliver more secure work for its employees. The funny thing is, from our real-world experience in offering casual employees the choice to convert to full-time or part-time employment, they rarely choose to take this up once they find out that they'll need to sacrifice their 25% loading in order to get the more secure employment as well as access to annual and personal leave. Of course, we've done a very comprehensive video on the current legislative definition of casual employment, which we have linked. However, the essence of it is that if the employer and the employee agree that the employment is casual, then the employment is casual. So this leaves us the question as to what should businesses do in order to prepare for the proposed changes to casual employment. Well, the good news is that the current legislation brought with it some increased compliance obligations, which included things like specific casual employment clauses to be included in employment agreements in order to acknowledge that the employment was casual in nature. The inclusion of a casual employment information statement compiled by the Fair Work Ombudsman to be provided to the employee at the commencement of their employment. Inclusion of a detailed breakdown as a separate line item of the casual loading to be included on the employee's payslip, and changes to the requirements to offer casual conversion. Now, many businesses have already implemented these changes as part of their current compliance obligations, which should put them in a really good place to adapt to the impending changes proposed by the federal Labor government. However, if your business has some questions or concerns, well, please don't hesitate to reach out to the team here at On Demand HR.
Does your business currently have a HR or workplace relations issue? Are you unsure how to work through compliance issues, but still achieve a good business outcome? Why not take advantage of On Demand HR's free 30-minute online consultation with an experienced HR consultant? At the end of the consultation, we will also provide you with a strategic action plan to resolve your current issues. To see the types of matters we can help you with and to schedule your consultation, please visit ondemandhr.com.au/advice. We look forward to delivering certainty, confidence, and clarity for your business in your HR and workplace relations affairs.